How to change keyboard language on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings. In Settings, go to System. In System, go to Language and Input. In Language and Input, go to Keyboard section, and you can see here the on-screen keyboard. Tap this, and now you can see here the Gboard. Tap Gboard. And now you can see here the settings, and the language or keyboard language is set into English US. To change this, tap this. To change, tap the add keyboard button. And now search the language you want to use. So for my example, Filipino Latin, I select this. And after that, tap the done button below to save the Filipino Latin. Press and hold the Filipino Latin language and replace the English US language. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the keyboard language on Tecno mobile phone.